Ah, the charm of Italy. There's no place quite like it in the world. From ancient Rome to the fashion capital of Milan, Italy is a vacation destination that offers something for everyone. As your travel specialist, we've taken the time to educate ourselves on this breathtaking country and can guide you to some of the most popular destinations, as well as recommend some very unique off-the-beaten-path places for a perfectly charming romantic getaway. Rome is a vibrant city with reminders of its past everywhere. Here you'll encounter ancient monuments, medieval and Renaissance buildings and fountains, as well as great nightlife and lively streets and squares. The Renaissance city of Florence is home to some of Italy's best museums, beautiful cathedrals and churches, and interesting streets and squares. Venice is one of Italy's most beautiful and romantic cities, built on the water in a lagoon. Its small, traffic-free streets, along with winding canals, make for great walking. There's plenty more to see and do, and we'll be more than happy to share our expertise with you to plan your perfect Italian vacation. Please give us a call and look around our website. Allow us to create a warm arrivederci for you and your loved ones.